It's that time of year. What's up, everyone? Tech Mindset here. In today's video, we're unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I went with the Desert Titanium version. That said, I am going to miss the titanium blue of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. The 16 Pro Max is a bit of a spec bump compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I was thinking I was just going to hold off this year, but when I saw it had a larger screen, that's what tipped me over the edge. Next, we have the USB cord in the box. However, there are no stickers on this one. Doesn't bother me, but some people might not like that. Stand by for that beautiful peel. One of the other upgrades on this phone is the new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor, though you have to shoot in RAW max to get the 48 megapixels. Side by side of the two phones, you can definitely see the size difference on the new one. Oh, first try! I decided this time around to get an Apple silicon case. The purple was really speaking to me at the store, so I decided to go for it. Though the dark blue was also looking pretty good. You can see when I put the old phone in the case, there's definitely a gap at the top. Time to put the new phone in its new home. That looks pretty good to me. I like how the speaker grill is perfect cutouts. Here's a shot at all the angles of the phone. You can see the power button and the new camera button. This one is taking some getting used to. I accidentally hit it all the time when I pick up the phone. There's that beautiful USB-C port, the volume buttons, and the action button. At the top, we have the dynamic island. I'm gonna get this thing powered on so I can show you side by side with the two screens on. I put a white image on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but you can definitely see the size difference here. All in all, pretty cool. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment for future ideas. And be sure to check out this other video that YouTube thinks you'll really like. That's all for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.